Hi, welcome to Counseling 130. My name is Kristen Perrone and I am your instructor. I'm also a counselor at College of Marin. I've been at COUN for about 10 years or so. This class is a traditional online class. It is asynchronous, which means we will not have any live Zoom sessions and you don't have to be on the computer at any particular day or time. I do recommend that you log into the class at least a couple times a week to make sure you're on track and that you're keeping up with the assignments. The rhythm of the class is weekly, and so you will have weekly modules that you'll work through that will include at least a couple of assignments and always a discussion board. The discussion board will require that you have your initial response to the prompt of the discussion on Wednesdays, and then you will respond to two of your peers by that Sunday. So discussion board is Wednesdays and Sundays, but generally all assignments are going to be due on a Sunday. I am not going to be holding traditional office hours because I'm available so often and so frequently during the week as a counselor. The best way to communicate with me is going to be through the Canvas inbox. And if you would like to make an appointment with me, you can do that in your MyComm portal, not through Canvas, but in your regular portal under Make an Appointment with a Counselor. I look forward to meeting you all throughout the course of this semester. This is an interesting time for this class because of so many changes in the economy and the labor market. Hopefully we can get access to a lot of current and relevant information as we kind of do this exploration piece together. The class is really just scratching the surface of career exploration, so you will have an opportunity to complete a few assessments that will include a personality assessment and the strong interest inventory, where you will be able to not only get a list of potential careers, but do some research on the careers. So the idea is that by the end of the semester, you may have a great idea of what you're going to do as a career, but you might have to continue that research at the end of the semester. And the idea is that you'll have the tools in order to do so. And also, I'm available after this semester. So throughout your time at College of Marin, I can continue meeting with you as you pursue your goals. So with that, let's get started. I look forward to seeing you all in class. Have a great semester.